Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh, okay.
I'm currently working now, so
Oh, okay.
you know.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikum assalam.
Where are you from?
United States of America.
Are you from America? Yeah. Just
Nah, I love to go to Emirates. It's a really nice place. But unfortunately, I live here in United States.
okay. I live in Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
ba? Ano to ah? Oh, nice.
Already I have
Sobrang
finished.
ng lugar ito, ayos.
I have finished Sehri
Huh?
because I am too Muslim. I have finished already Sehri, and then I have come here in this platform. Really?
I have a lot of friends. They're Muslim, so I know how to speak a little bit of Muslim, like,
Yeah.
Habibi.
Already I have followed you.
Hana Pilipini. Hana
Filipino.
Ano to?
Oh, actually, your country.
Hana Pilipini.
Are you from Philippines? Philippines? Are you from Mindanao? Mindanao.
Oo, ano kasi tawag dun sa Mindanao? Terorista ako.
Oh, okay. Nice.
No, I'm not from Mindanao. Philippines, there are three islands. The Philippines is Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So I live here in Luzon. Mindanao is the last part of the Philippines. That was too far from my home.
Oh, okay.
Kuya, dinudugo yung ilong.
May I ask you some questions about yourself? Little questions. May I ask you?
Sure. What is it?
How do you spend your free time? How do you pass your free time every single day? Every single day? How do you pass?
Actually, question and answer pala to. Nandito sa question and answer portion. Okay, pageant ba to? Okay. Actually, I'm working and then this is my free time. That's why I do some Bigo Live. Yeah. Sometimes I'm bored, so it's really interesting to go here in Bigo. There's a lot of
Are you a
you're
student?
gonna meet a lot of friends. So
Are you a student or do you study? A student. Do you study?
question and answer to. Thank you very much. Thank you for the wonderful question.
Yeah. Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher. I teach English and mathematics, 2 subjects.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's why you're really fluent in English.
Oh, just
Hi, Rob.
where do you live in United USA? In which state do you live in?
California?
California. Wow. Nice. Oh, what time is it now?
Kala mo ah.
What time is it now in California? Right.
Here is 4:18 p.m.
Oh, just here in our country, Bangladesh, 5:18 a.m. Early in the morning. Already I have
So
completed.
early.
Yeah.
Are you going to school now to teach some kids? Oh, that's why.
Already I have completed. I have finished Sehri. Recently I have finished Sehri because of Ramadan month. That is why.
Oh,
Yeah, of course.
I think Ramadan is coming, right? Ramadan
Yeah,
is coming
running.
next week.
Faster. As I am faster and this is fast. Fast Ramzan. Today in our country, Bangladesh. Right.
Yeah, I know it's Ramadan because I have a lot of friends. They live in some part of they're Arabic, and I have some schoolmates that they have blood of Arabic. That's why they live in Pakistan. Is that part?
Oh.
Is that part of Muslim country, right?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, are you
You're really
in which
a
university?
nice person. What?
in which university do you study at USA? In USA?
Actually, before I came here, finished my study in the Philippines. So I take course of hotel management, restaurant services. So I'm done. And now I'm here in the United States. So I just did thinking if I'm going to take a nursing. But this I just that's the one I need. Nawala na ako. Ano ba yan?
Okay. What is your future plan of life? What is your future plan of life?
I want to take a...
Yeah? What is your future plan of life?
Parang kumukukwak-kwak ko eh.
What do you want to do in
What?
future? Your future plan of life. What do you want to do in future?
Oh yeah? Oh, pardon me?
What is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Your future plan of life.
In
Aim in
the
life.
future.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm currently working now, so my plan is to be rich soon.
Oh, okay.
You know.
Right.
Yeah, I just hard working, like taking two jobs.
Oh, just how many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have?
I'm going to be rich.
How many brothers do you have?
Parang napawisan yung kilikili ko. What? Oh, I don't have any brother.
Oh.
I'm the youngest. I'm just the only child.
We are two brothers. We are two brothers. Only sister. I am the little.
Oh,
All of them. I am little.
little. Ba't kung nakausap ko na to? Biglang tumulo yung sipon ko. Yeah.
What is
What
your
I mean
father's
is-
profession? What is your father's profession?
Huh?
What is your father's profession?
My dad is a U.S. military.
Wow.
My dad is a U.S. military.
Really? Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Will you show me your appearance fully?
Huwag kang babariling ka na.
Will you show me your appearance fully?
No.
One time. Just one time. I request you.
Manaching ako.
Yeah.
No. You. Okay.
Only. One time. Just once.
Excuse me?
Once. If you are interested, if you are interested, there is no problem.
No, I'm shy. I don't want to show my face.
Oh,
if
do you
someone
feel-
drop a
I think that-
1,000 diamond here, I'm gonna roll.
Oh, I think that you have so much shyness. Really? Are you fast in Bigo life?
What?
Are you fast in Bigo life? That is why you
What's
feel
that?
shyness.
What do you mean?
You feel shyness. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But I am older in this platform. I have been using this platform 1 year ago. 1 year or more.
Oh,
1 year or
it's
more.
too long.
Oh, do you
Because
have?
I'm just new here. I'm just like 2 weeks from Bigo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, your speaking style is very fine, excellent, awesome. English speaking, I think that because we follow American English as you live in America. That is why we should communicate in English. Next time in English we must communicate. Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going now. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate.
Okay, please follow me. Follow me. Instant, follow me. Next time we will meet.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye bye.